channel, Sugar Bites Beauty. My name is Myra. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today I'm super excited to be doing this unboxing video because I have been stalking this box. I'm not kidding you, since I hit the order button, okay? So I'm super thrilled that I finally got here. And it's actually my Jeffree Star mystery box. And I actually picked up the $75 box this time. The last time he did them was Black Friday. And I picked up the small box. And this time I went ahead and I just ordered the big one because I'm super thrilled and I want to see what's inside. So let's open this up, okay? So this is what it comes like. My address is at the top, so I'm not going to show that. So it comes in the pink paper. And I'm just going to open it and I'm going to just start looking through it. And okay, so I have been watching almost every single unboxing video on this boxes, okay? And I can tell you right off the bat, looking at mine, there is something different than all those other boxes. So I'm super excited. So, okay, I'm just going to start out and I want to see. Okay, so the first thing I got is the Jeffree Star Skin Frost, which is this one. And I actually got the shade Lavender Snow, which I am really excited about. Because looking at all those unboxing videos, this one was just beautiful. Okay, so we're going to open it up. I'm going to scoot up a little so I can have somewhere to put my box. And look at the size of this. This is huge, so I'm totally excited. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is beautiful. This is a beautiful, beautiful shade. And since I am going to keep this, I'm just going to swatch this. Oh my gosh. It's like a silver almost. This is so cool. That is beautiful. Super shiny and blinding. So totally excited about this. I'm so happy that I got this one. The other options that I've seen were the Regina George. It's like the biggest one that I saw. And that one is also very pretty. But I'm super thrilled about this one. Okay. The next one is the Supreme Frost, and this one is in Frozen Peach, and I believe everybody got the Frozen Peach one. Which again, beautiful shade. And this packaging, OMG, look at that. It is gorgeous. Okay, so that's what it looks like in the inside. There's no mirror, so. And we're going to swatch that too. Oh. This is beautiful. So this is a lighter type of bling. It's definitely there. I don't know if it'll show up. No, I don't think it does. It's this one right here. Kind of a little, but it's really pretty. Definitely more of like a natural sparkly glow because it's definitely, there's a lot of sparkle there. Okay, so I have nothing to wipe my hands with. I'm just gonna do it on my clothes. Okay, so the next thing is gonna be the lip ammunition in Jeffree's Girl. And this one looks like a really pretty pink. So this is the bullet style. And oh yeah, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous pink. Definitely colors right up my alley. So I'll do a little swatch on my hand and it's that one right there. Super pretty. Okay. And then we have 3 of the Velour liquid lipsticks. I got Posh Spice, Diamond, and a Dream House. So let's start with the Posh Spice, which I saw it was a nude. Yeah, it's like a brownie nude. Really pretty again. Oh, this one actually doesn't smell like anything. Okay, so it's that one right there. Next one is going to be Diamond. And this one looks like it's like a silver. Oh, actually, it's like a really pretty light lavender, almost like a periwinkle. That's really pretty too. So this one's going to be that one right there. And then we got a dream house. Ooh, this one is gorgeous. This one, yeah, this one's like metallic. Yeah, that is beautiful. And it's that one right there. Yeah, my swatches are not the best. Okay, next thing is gonna be the lower lip liner, and this is in Unicorn Blood, and this is the same shade I got in my Black Friday one, so I'm gonna put this one aside. I'm not gonna open it. I'm gonna put it in a giveaway, and again, it's Unicorn Blood, and it's a really pretty red. Let me see. Okay, so this is what it would look like. This is mine. Really pretty top. And I'm gonna swatch it. It's a beautiful, beautiful deep red. So somebody will get that one. And then the last two things, I'm saving one of them for last, okay? The next one is the shirt, and it's the Can't Relate shirt. I got the size 4X. You guys are probably already seeing them if you've been watching unboxing videos, so I'm not going to open it up. Super excited about that one. It is my first actual clothing item from him. So the last thing is going to be the pop socket. So I told you guys I had something different in my box. Everybody has been getting the red pop sockets. Mine is actually pink, and it's one of the metal ones. It's not one of the plastic pop sockets. So this is the kind I actually have on my phone, and I'm totally excited that he included this kind as well. So super thrilled that mine was different, and it's actually really pretty. I'll definitely be keeping this one, and I know I still have the one from Black Friday somewhere around here, so I might add that one in the giveaway along with that lip liner. So what did you guys think? I am super happy with my box. The colors are beautiful. I am definitely keeping everything. So did you guys pick it up? Which one did you guys get? What colors did you guys get? And what pop socket did you guys get? I'm totally thrilled about this still. OMG. So let me know down in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the little subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.